Join me as I take on the challenge of finding the absolute best protein-packed breakfast. Let's see what I can whip up. Starting your day with a protein-packed breakfast is essential for energy and muscle health. And in this video, we're going to explore the best options out there so you can fuel your body for a productive day ahead. Many of us are guilty of reaching for convenient breakfast options that are often low in protein, such as cereal or toast with jam. These foods might taste good and be easy to prepare, but they can cause a spike in blood sugar followed by a crash, leaving us feeling tired and sluggish. This can have a significant impact on our energy levels throughout the day, making it harder to focus and be productive. A lot of people also opt for breakfast foods like muffins, pastries, or sugar yogurt parfaits, which are not only low in protein, but also high in added sugars and unhealthy fats. These foods might provide a temporary energy boost, but they can lead to a range of negative health effects, including weight gain, insulin resistance, and increased risk of chronic diseases. When we don't get enough protein at breakfast, our bodies can start to break down muscle tissue to use for energy, which can lead to a loss of muscle mass over time. This can be particularly problematic for people who are physically active or trying to build muscle, as it can undermine their progress and make it harder to achieve their fitness goals. In addition to the negative impact on our physical health, a low-protein breakfast can also affect our mental performance and mood. Without enough protein to support the production of neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin, we might feel more anxious, irritable, or depressed, which can make it harder to tackle the challenges of the day ahead. If you're looking to boost the protein content of your breakfast, there are plenty of delicious and easy options to choose from. One of the simplest ways to add more protein to your breakfast is to include eggs, which are not only a great source of protein, but also rich in vitamins and minerals, like vitamin D and choline. You can scramble them, make an omelette, or boil them and add them to a breakfast salad. Greek yogurt is another excellent source of protein, and you can combine it with fresh fruit, nuts, or seeds to create a quick and satisfying breakfast bowl. You can also add a scoop of your favorite protein powder to your yogurt or smoothie to give it an extra boost. For a more substantial breakfast, you could try making a protein-packed breakfast burrito with scrambled eggs, black beans, and avocado, all wrapped up in a whole grain tortilla. This is a great option for people who need a filling breakfast that will keep them going until lunchtime. Another great option is to make a batch of protein pancakes or waffles using a mix of protein powder, almond flour, and eggs. These can be a fun and delicious way to start the day, and you can top them with fresh fruit, nuts, or a drizzle of honey for added flavor and nutrition. After trying out a range of different protein-packed breakfast options, I found that one recipe stands out above the rest. A breakfast skillet made with scrambled eggs, turkey sausage, and roasted vegetables. This combination provides a perfect balance of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates, and it's easy to customize with your favorite ingredients. The key to making this recipe work is to use high-quality ingredients, such as fresh vegetables and lean protein sources, and to cook everything in a cast iron skillet to get a nice crispy texture on the outside and a tender interior. You can also add some diced sweet potatoes or other root vegetables to the skillet for added fiber and nutrients. What really sets this recipe apart is the combination of flavors and textures, which makes it feel like a satisfying and indulgent breakfast treat. The spicy kick from the turkey sausage pairs perfectly with the richness of the scrambled eggs, and the roasted vegetables add a nice burst of freshness and color to the dish. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a busy professional, or just someone who loves to start their day with a delicious and nutritious meal, this breakfast skillet recipe is sure to become a new favorite. It's easy to make, packed with protein and other essential nutrients, and can be customized to suit your individual tastes and dietary needs. To recap, we've explored the importance of starting your day with a protein-packed breakfast, discussed some common low-protein breakfast choices and their negative effects, and shared some delicious and easy high-protein breakfast options. We've also revealed our top pick for the ultimate protein-packed breakfast recipe, which is a breakfast skillet made with scrambled eggs, turkey sausage, and roasted vegetables. If you've got a favorite protein-packed breakfast idea, be sure to share it with us in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more healthy eating tips and recipe ideas to help you fuel your body and achieve your goals.